Hey, Amy Carroll here with a communication snippet for you. Welcome to the C19 lockdown. Over the next few days, I'm going to be bringing you a mini-series on the tips and tricks to stay partner under pressure. Because really, you might be freaking out right now because your schedule has just been turned upside down. Or maybe you're worried about the health of those close to you or yourself. Perhaps you're panicking because you're wondering how this is going to impact your future. Understandable. In this period of extreme unknown and destabilizing moments, many of us are wavering between staying happy and positive, enjoying the moment, and feeling totally stressed and panicked about how to manage this disruption in our lives and what it means in our future. Here's some good news. If you're not a yoga bunny or a meditating monk, there is still hope to managing your mental mindset and to be able to recalibrate back into partner. What I mean by this is when we practice partner, we choose to respond in a calm and composed manner and not react with the anger of predator or the stress of prey, which would only make the situation worse. Resilience is an important quality to support staying in partner mode. Focusing on what we have control of, building the resilience to stay partner are essential to managing life in this crazy, turbulent time. So here's quick fix number 1. This comes from nonviolent communication, NVC. If you're not familiar with NVC, check out the links below. NVC can be used to access emergency self-empathy, which is going to help you to recalibrate your emotional state. You ready? Step number 1. First, click on the link at the end of the video to download the list of feelings and the list of needs. Once you have those, move to step 2. Identify a situation that's causing you discomfort or stress. Step 3. Take a few minutes to review the list of all of the feelings you may be having related to this situation. And then go back and narrow it down to your top 5 feelings. Step number 4, take a few minutes to review the list of needs you may be having related to the situation. Same thing, once you have that whole list selected, you then choose your top 5. And then finally, step number 5, take another few minutes, sit with the feelings and needs. You'll likely feel a shift in your emotional state. There is something magical that happens when we simply put words to our feelings and needs and acknowledge what we're experiencing. The result is often a sense of calm and relief. I encourage you to print out this list of feelings and needs, keep the copies nearby, and refer to it whenever you are spinning out. Okay, that's it from me. Look forward to my next snippet in this mini-series coming soon. And in the meantime, good luck and happy partnering.